Hey everyone, so I'm just going through Niantic Campfire app and just quick tutorial how it works, how to use it. So yeah, this app is just starts to climb charts in the social networking category, you can see, but still it's invite only. It requires to have an invite, which you need to get. How to get it? Like, well, you need to have an account in Pokemon Go and you need to have a friend on Pokemon Go which can invite you. So you need to be friends, and that person should already be on Niantic Campfire, and then that person should invite you. So in my case, for example, I've been invited, and then I wanna add friends, or I can see like add friends, and then I can see friends not on Campfires. These are my friends on Pokemon Go, which I can just invite. There is a limited number of invites, yeah. And then basically this is like a social mapping, social networking app for Niantic games like Pokemon Go, NBA, Old World, and then you can just see on the map where you're currently located, which communities are anywhere, which some groups are somewhere, which you can then just explore, like just go and explore that activity. There are, of course, dependent on the city, like for example Barcelona Pokemon Go, and then you can just join that group, and that's basically the whole idea, that you can join that group, and then it's kind of like Slack or like group chat for this specific city or location. Then you can just see messages, you can just send a new message. You can, from the people, for your friends, you can send a message. Then there is just like an overview of all groups. You can go and discover official groups, find some new groups. You can create a new group. You can have a group name, private group. Only the owner admins can create text channels. Like, you can set up all these settings and create a group yourself. Then you can just see notifications. Then you can just see your profile. You can see your icon. You can edit profile here. Just change your name. You can also change your Niantic ID, but you can only do it once. You can see all your game profiles attached, like Pokemon Go and NBA Old World. But yeah, then you can, if you want, you can delete your account easily. But yeah, the main idea of this app is that you can just find communities and hang out together and just join all these chats, find these different groups near you, or find official groups. Of course, it just depends, like in which locations you are. If in these locations there are enough people playing Pokemon Go, etc., if it's popular there or anything like that. If you don't have any people in the community near you, then this app can kind of useless. But in the big city, you will just have more groups and more communities.